What's up, y'all? It's Lil Sean. I'm about to do a freestyle to y'all by that ASAP Rocky bass. Y'all get at me. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Here, bro.
Let's fucking recognize that fucking ace right there. Recognize that shit. Ace stack. Ace fucking stack. You don't put enough fucking in my heart.
Nope. Look. Check it out. Lil Sean. Shout out to my nigga Poe. Feel me? My nigga M. Look. All I smoke is swishers. Then I leave on spinners. Nigga got the munchie, eat the beat up like some dinner. Leave you wet, no raging waters if you fucking with my niggas. So when I get that deal, I'ma take care of my niggas. And every time I spit, I swear my flow is getting thicker. She said that she a groupie, so me and bro flipped her. No haters in my background. You can check them pictures, that's on you to test my thing. Fuck around, be on the t-shirt. Nigga, that's on me. Motherfucker, I don't play. I was never there to see. When they found you DOA, witnesses scream. When they hear that cake, Lil Sean with big guns, I be blasting away. Shit, he could've saved his life if he opened that safe. Put that eagle to his temple, said I'm not here to play. And when I'm in your fucking house, I'm about to do a fucking raid. About to do a fucking raid. Lil Sean about to go insane. You can catch me on the block, and all I talk is them cane. Young niggas getting quiet, boy, I'm serving the fucking game. Selling fucking weed, do whatever to get the cheese. But I ain't no mouse, nigga, don't ever disrespect me. Tom and Jerry, a bitch ass. Hell yeah, I fucking smack any beat you put in front of me. I fucking eat. Lil Sean, I be that nigga, nah, I can't beat the beat. You can catch me on the block, I pull triggers, yeah, I squeeze, and I don't really give a fuck. Nah, they can't catch me. Go hard or go home, that's what my bro told me. So I beat up on the block, trying to get that fucking cheese. Shout out to M. Dot and my nigga YED. You can catch me on the block, stay chasing for that cheese, you know me. Please don't tempt me, cause I be that nigga that squeeze. Yeah, I said it, fuck it. And when the niggas come through, I ain't riding in the bucket. Young niggas spit the game, I got your bitch ready to suck it. It's nothing, Lil Sean, yeah nigga, it's nothing. I said it, shout out to Wiz Khalifa, yeah I said it, but I ain't smoking on the paper, switching sweets until I'm dead, nigga. And that's just how the youngin' feel. Please don't disrespect the team, nigga, I'ma have to kill. You can catch me on the block and yeah, niggas smoking kill like Snoop Dogg, smoking 600 ounces for real. Nigga, I feelin' shit, yeah, I'm smoking on the kill. Eyes low, yeah, nigga, that can't respond. Nigga, yeah, nigga coming through. And I'm like, spawn, nigga, hit a nigga with the flow. But I'm bond, nigga, yeah, I way beyond, nigga, and I am this shit. And if you try to touch me, you get touched like this, nigga. And I don't really give a fuck who you testin'. Young nigga on the block, big shot, Smith & Wesson, and I hit you in your throat, nigga, fucking with me. Young nigga on the block, and I was straight squeeze. Yeah, I kill a nigga like motherfucking Call of Duty, but your ass gon' ain't respond. Young nigga killing shit, Lil Sean. Shit dreams, nigga. We in this bitch. Shout out to my nigga M. Dot. Nigga, free M. Dot. Free M. Dot, free Boozy and my nigga Ghost. You feel me? We about to get this shit.